Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now this is going to be a very special video, so first of all thank you for being here and for supporting the channel, because it is thanks to you that I'm able to share all of this amazing news with all of you. So let's go. The first thing I want to talk about is our premium courses. As you guys know, our premium courses are the main drive of our little studio here. We've been working on a lot of them, and we just released the newest one, which is this character. It's the stylized character creation for ZBrush, and right now we have a 90% discount going on that you can check down here on the description. If you want to support the channel, that is the best way to do it, through our premium courses. And we have so many. I think this is like the 64th premium course that we have so far, and we're working on more. So stay tuned for more news about the premium courses that we're going to be releasing. Other than the premium courses, we are going to keep going with our tips and tricks. So the videos here on YouTube, they're not stopping. We're changing things a little bit, and this is why this video is here. I want to talk about the new changes that we're going to have, but we're going to keep uploading tips about Maya, ZBrush, Blender, Unreal Engine, Substance Painter, Marmoset. As new softwares are released, as new patches or tools are released, I'm going to be sharing them with you. So if you want to get the best news as soon as they come into the industry, make sure to go down here and click the little bell icon. Only about 30% of our subscribers or of our viewers are subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed, it really helps the channel. Make sure to go down here. So tips and tricks are going to keep going. We're going to keep with premium courses, and we're also going to continue with one of your favorite series, which is of course portfolio review. Now, I get this question a lot. When is the next portfolio review? When can I submit my portfolio? So we're going to make a change to make it easy for everyone. Here's the deal. From now on, in all of our descriptions, you are going to find a link to the portfolio submission. If you click on that link, you're going to be able to submit. However, the submissions might not be open all the time. You're going to see a little title on the folder that says submissions open or submissions closed. If they're closed, just wait a couple of days until you can submit again so that you get your work for the next month. The portfolio reviews are always at the middle of the month, so the next one's going to be around April 14, 15, roughly, around that time, and you can submit right now. So if you go down here and you find a little icon there, you will be able to submit your work for portfolio review. I take the time to review every single portfolio. Sometimes we have 1 day of portfolio reviews. Sometimes we have 3 days of portfolio reviews. You can submit multiple times. That means like in different months, that's fine. And I'll be able to just like keep giving you feedback as much as you guys need. Okay, so portfolio review is not going away. We're going to keep going with that series. I love that series. I know you guys love that series. So yeah, let's keep it alive. The next new here is that we have our weekly live streams. Some of you guys have already seen them. We have our dedicated day, which is Mondays 9:30 a.m. and 9 p.m. for India, 9:30 a.m. Mexico time, 9 p.m. India time. We have our dedicated live stream, and I've been trying to fit in another like extra live stream on Thursdays. So far, I've been able to do it. I can't promise I'm gonna be able to do it every single week, but we're gonna try to have at least one live stream every week. This time around, we started with a book, and all of these live streams, by the way, because we also get this question, you can find all of them. If you go to the like title over here, you go to the channel, right at the side of videos, there's it's live, and all of the lives that I've done for the past 2 years are gonna be there. Wow, can you believe it's been 2 years, guys? I can't believe it. We've grown so much. I think when we started, we had like 14,000 subscribers, and now we're at 34,000 subscribers. You know how much or how many people those are, like those numbers are? It's just amazing. Anyway, so weekly live stream will keep going. We've been having a huge success. I love interacting with you guys and answering your questions. So if you want to catch the live streams again, make sure to click the little bell icon so that you know that you get the notification when we go live. Next, this is a surprise, guys. We are adding a new series, and we're calling it Art Support Nexus. So we did this on the past live stream, and it was a huge success. Someone submitted a work for their portfolio review that I mentioned was really good, but that could be improved by doing some very simple tricks. We also every now and then get some questions about very specific things that you guys are struggling with. So from now on the description of the videos, we're gonna have another little folder that says Art Support Nexus. In there, you can drop a folder, put your name on it, drop the files that you need me to review, and please, 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 please write a little note, a text note, just like a Word document or a Notepad document, whatever, just a text explaining what the issue is, okay? So if we get submissions and I check the folder and I see that there are people with specific issues, maybe, for instance, you're doing a female character and you don't like how the lips look, okay, just upload it there and I'll take a look. I can't promise that I'm going to be able to go through all of them, but I can promise that I will be checking all of them. And if I see something that we haven't covered on the channel that's really interesting, or that we can really like benefit everyone from exploring it, I will make sure to get a look at it and upload a video here to the YouTube channel so that you guys can see how we can improve all of this artwork. So Art Support Nexus is going to be open now. We're going to keep it open. If we see that it works, we'll keep it. If no, we'll move it and do something else. That's fine. We don't care about like remaining with a one specific thing. We do what works best for the channel and what we all want. You guys are as much part of this channel as we over here. So yeah, let us know in the comments what you think about this new little element right here. And finally, we are going to continue with the contest. This is from Gurav Das, who won the last contest for the whimsical creature creation. The next contest will probably be coming in the next couple of months. I will let you know as soon as we get there. And we're going to change the dynamics a little bit because I want to keep things a little bit cleaner. I want to make sure that the instructions are a little bit better. And yeah, we're just learning from our mistakes. If there's anything that was looking a little bit rough around the edges, we're going to be polishing it so that we can have the best possible competition and everyone enjoys it and everyone has a good time and learns a lot. So yeah, that's it, guys. Look at this. There's a lot of content here from the Nexted family. Premium courses, new ones incoming, tips and tricks every single day, except for Sundays because I take a rest. But tips and tricks very frequently here in CLFC. We got the portfolio reviews. We're going to have our live streams. We're going to have the new Art Support Nexus where you can submit specific questions about models or works that you're doing. If you want specific feedback, this is also the way to go. I've got a couple of students that like to submit their stuff during a live stream, and I tell them to send me an email. Now you don't need to do that. Just send it to the Art Support Nexus, and if it's there and we're on a live stream and you're like, hey, can we take a look at our stuff? We'll take a quick look at it and we'll solve whatever issue we might have, okay? So Art Support Nexus is going to be open now. Again, you're going to find all of the links for these things down here. And in the next couple of months, we're going to have more 3D contests. And that's it, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you very much again for your support. We're going to keep working very hard here behind the scenes to make sure you get the best possible content. Everyone at the Nexted team is really happy with all of the support and all of your engagement, all of the comments. So again, thank you very much. And I'll see you back on Monday for our next live stream. Make sure to leave a like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you back on the next one. Bye-bye.